In the dark corners of chess history, some openings aren't played for points, they are played for blood. This is the Tennison Gambit, a weapon of mass psychological destruction. The story begins with Otto Mandrup Tennison, a Danish amateur who brought this chaotic style to the chess clubs of New Orleans in the 1800s. While masters call it theoretically unsound, in the hands of a predator, it is a death sentence. The trap is set early. White opens with pawn to e4. Black responds with the Scandinavian defense, pawn to d5, but white doesn't play by the rules. White moves knight to f3, leaving the center pawn hanging. Black accepts the challenge, pawn takes e4. Now white's knight leaps to g5, targeting the weak f7 square. Black develops naturally, knight to f6, defending their prize. Then comes the gambit's true face, pawn to d3. Black captures again, thinking they are winning the opening. White's bishop takes back on d3. Look at the board. The white queen on d1 is staring down the d-file, hidden behind her own bishop. The bishop on d3 is aimed like a sniper at the king's side. Black, feeling the pressure, makes the most natural move in the world, pawn to h6, trying to kick the knight away. They have no idea they just stepped into the kill zone. White strikes like a lightning bolt. Knight takes f7, it's a fork on the queen and the rook. Black has no choice, the king must take the knight. But this was never about the knight. This is the intercontinental ballistic missile variation. White plays bishop to g6 check, a stunning sacrifice that forces the king away from the defense of his most powerful piece. As the black king captures the bishop, the d-file is cleared. The white queen fires across the board, capturing the black queen on d8. 8 moves, 0 hope. The ICBM has landed. Would you dare to play it?